KCC105. Welcome to week number 2. I want to talk real quick about the week number 1 reflections, what I'm looking for in terms of your comments on week number 1 work. Here's an example of my graphic, but you can access the graphics from the other class, the rest of the class. How do you do that? Here in course documents, there's a link, week number 2. That's this week's assignments. Here's a little timetable for what we're looking at this week, coming soon. The assignment's not posted yet. It'll be posted. Been a big day here at Kendall. That's going to be bumped back a day or two. But right now, you can access the discussion board here and also the reflection. I'm going to click the reflections. And here's some instructions written out. I'm going to walk through it. But if you click the picture here, you will get to the slideshow with all the student graphics. And here's the slideshow. Open it up. I'm going to click present just to get it in slideshow form. And you'll see that I can click right through here. And here's my example. I highlight a few things that I made in my graphic. The title, the example, the linear growth, each city bus, the representations, the personality, the little pictures I drew. And then here's an example, all the ones in the class, and then I'm saying, your turn, look through those, and then comment. Do you see a title? Do you see an example of the linear growth? Do you see a representation? Is the personality there? Think about those things and comment at them. Say, wow, I see that title, or I'm not exactly sure what number you're going at. The personality's fun. I like these pictures. That's fun. The colors, all that sort of thing. Or, hey, here's a way that you can pull me into this graphic a little more. Think about those comments. Don't just say, I like it. No. Dig a little deeper. This is the type of topics I'm looking for. So once again, when you are here, click that slideshow and you'll be able to comment. And in particular, when you comment, I'm sorry about that. When you comment up here on top of the graph, hit comment and you'll be able to leave a comment on the graphics. So that's what I'm looking for you to do for the week number 1 reflections. And also, you need to be logged into your Kendall email in order to view this. So if you're logged into your Gmail or something, your personal Gmail, you won't be able to do this. Make sure you're in Kendall email. Give that a shot. Go through those slideshows. Say, hey, I like this because of here. Or I see your title. I see your linear change. Think about those topics and make some comments. And like the discussion board, I'm expecting 3 different days during the week. Go for that. Any questions, you can reach out and email.